It's Tiffany's Content with a massive polar vortex from the North Pole dipping right down into the United States as a huge bomb cyclone coming our way, affecting 220 million people as a huge Arctic blast. Can last 5 days long record history polar vortex, bringing Thundersnow. That's right, a lot of snow with thunderstorms, lightning, a magical chaos. Imagine a spinning top, and every time it wobbles, cold air dips down right into the earth. And in a polar vortex, the spinning top is cold wind. Strong bands of wind obstructing visibility, so make sure you're dressing appropriate, even goggles, big coats. Make sure, because that wind chill is going to be negative 50 in some areas. You can see on this map, and look at the below temperature outlook in the right, and that is 90% below average temperature. Now look at this. This is what it's going to look like in the next 36 hours. That cold air will be dipping down. I'm going to show you some comparisons. Look at Dallas Saturday night 57 and Monday 25. Now let's look at Chicago 25 Saturday, and look, -2 on Monday. Memphis 42, and then 18 on Monday. These are the highs, okay? This is crazy. Looking at Monday's lows, -20 in the Great Falls. This is massive, and Montana is on the list for high alerts. It's gonna be bad when you wake up. Colder conditions, possibly even lower. And at this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, look at that. Monday, look at this. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it finally starts to ease up into that next weekend. But my goodness, a polar vortex is headed our way. Everyone needs to be on high alert. It will be a lot of snow blowing everywhere. This will be so bad. Cars will be stuck. People will be walking everywhere. Let's look at this Thursday night. Look at that, -26 in Montana. This is the forecast. This is not the wind chill, okay? Let's look at that, -39 Friday night up there. And it's even cold going all the way down into Texas. This is massive. It will affect the whole entire United States. -40 on Saturday night. I can only imagine what Sunday and Monday night looks like. That's going to get up to -50s. Let's look at this ensemble. This is the EPS Ensemble. And just look at these deep plunges of massive cold air. Look at those tight isobars. They are so tight. Be surprised if we get thunder snow. And look at the whole United States is cold blue on the weekend. That's crazy. Let's look at the CMC Run, and you're going to see the whole entire weekend. This is going right into Friday, Saturday night, Sunday, and then let's just look at the entire week that we'll be going into. Look at how tight those isobars are. That on the West Coast. That's how you know that deep plunge is coming through. Look at that. I can't even explain it. It's just, I'm going to slow it down in the next video and we'll talk more about it. But this is cold, and it's going right into the next weekend after that. And look at how the West Coast is going to get hammered again. This whole January, expect some below very cold temperatures. Looking at this map on these bars, you can see that blue is the below. And look at the first one, 90% below average temperature for the year, okay, and within the next 7 days. So this is massive. I just want to show you that. Looking at these, satellite images, you can see the frigid air is starting to come in already. It's going to be spinning, freezing, spinning right over our heads, dipping right down into the United States, spilling right down that Arctic air, that cold winter blast that everybody has been waiting for. But this can be dangerous weather, so please be safe. It's going to be blowing snow. Visibility will be obstructed for drivers, for walkers, for everybody. Remember, the most important thing can be thunder snow. That is lightning with the massive snow falling, okay, with the cold air and the warm air and everything just combining. It's just so bad. It's a polar vortex. This has not happened since 2014, if I'm not mistaken. And this is going to be the record biggest one in a long time, okay? So please share that we have a polar vortex spinning right above our heads in the stratosphere, 10 to 30 miles above the Earth's surface. It's up there with some cold Arctic ocean and ice, and it will be dipping down right into the United States. So make sure that you are aware and prepared. Okay, I'm going to need your help with some subscribers, okay? Please subscribe and let YouTube know that I am here, okay? It's Tiffany's Content. Like, share, subscribe.